Right, here's one for your DIYers. Honda Civic 1.4, problem with the speaker. This is what you do if you're going to replace it. Don't know what's wrong with it at the moment. It's not working, but just going to show you where it is, how to take it out and how to put it back in again. Obviously if you're going to replace it with a different spec, check the wiring and stuff like that. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but what I'm going to do is just show you how to get at it and how to replace it, really. So first thing to say is you can take the shelf out at the back. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to do this. You've got a screw there. It's probably best to push the seat forward, just out of the way. Push the trim up like that. Take that up, get out of the way, and all you do is just undo that, undo the nut, screw, whatever you want to call it. I mean, these Honda Civics, it's all plastic trim and stuff. A lot of it just clips out. Hopefully just see if there's anything else in there. Yeah, it's just trim, really. It just pulls out. Just got to be careful you don't break it. Pull the carpet back. Might be worth getting a pair of pliers. Oh, it just comes off. Basically what you got underneath is these things, metal clips, metal grommets, and they just push into to these brackets here, and then so you've got to fight with it, but it's come off in one piece anyway. I know a lot of cars have different styles of doing this, but that's the way it is. And in there, underneath the carpet, just pull the carpet back. You've got, I don't know if you can see that, probably not. Under there you've got a connector. You can see the seatbelt in there as well. Basically what you do, just undo. They're quite well in there, they are. Might need a bigger screwdriver. Bigger Phillips. Never heard when you need one, is there? Yeah, I'm going to need a bigger screwdriver. Hang on. Right, this is pretty well stuck in there, so I've got this beauty. Just going to fire these out. Just take your time with them though, don't round off. I'm going to struggle to get in there, might have to. That trim's right in there as well. Try and get the one at the back, it's just a bit out of the way. It's going to go and get a long reach screwdriver. But it just shows you how you end up using every bloody tool in your garage just to do a simple job. So I've got a long reach screwdriver, Phillips. Got that one out as well. Out. Put everything just out of the way so this doesn't make your life simple. So there you are. Just bring it out. There's a connector. There's a connector underneath, and you can just see that. It should just squeeze out. And there's your prize. And that's that. Basically what you do to put it back in is the reverse of what you just done. So obviously get your new speaker, bring back. Obviously, if you're going to change it for something fancy, someone's going to liquidise you when you're bloody driving, then you might have to do a few mods and things like that. But overall, this is just a like for like swap. 4 screws. Put your connector back in before you start. Put it back in. Put your screws in. Finger tight. One thing I like about Hondas, they do make things pretty simple. We're just doing a VW today. Well, neighbours were doing a VW. They had every tool out, trying to change a regulator on it, and they couldn't do it because they didn't have the tool for it. It was like a 12 point Torx, and then he had a 6 point. Me, I probably would have jammed something into it, but because he really loves his car, I think they went out and bought the right tool for it. Fair play, why not? Job's a good one. If you're going to do it right, do it right. But do you want to go out and fork out all that money for a new toolkit just for the sake of 1 bolt? I don't know. Depends who you are and how much you do. I've had VWs before and I've always had the right stuff for it. This was a VW 7-seater Touran or something like that, I'm not quite sure. And that was needed a bit of persuasion. Obviously you've got your clips on here, that goes back in. Pull your trim back. Oop. There it is. Put your seal back. Don't forget your little screw. Put that back in. Carpet as well. Carpet just shoves back in like that. There it is, can't go wrong with that. Got my baseball bat for the kids, not for anything else. It's not what you think it is. And there it is, new speaker. Turn your car on, see if it works. If not, you're going to have to take it apart again and sort the wiring out. But that is, for your Honda Civic fans, how you replace a rear speaker in your car. This is more for a 95 2000 model, but I'm pretty sure it's very similar for other models as well in this range. Hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching. Catch you soon. Give us a thumbs up, give us a thumbs down. Give us a thumbs down, tell us why. Don't just keep thumbing down just for the sake of it. It's a bit annoying. You keep doing stuff like that, as a lot of people find out. Seems to be a bit of the war at the moment between some of the YouTube channels of who's the best, who knows more, who's been in the job more. I know more than you, all that sort of stuff. But you know, this is DIY stuff. This is doing it on your driveway. If it's going to save you money, brilliant. If not, get a pro to do it. Thanks very much. Cheers for watching.